Intermittent Fasting 101, the complete guide for beginners. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that has been gaining popularity in the health and wellness world: intermittent fasting. If you're new to this concept or curious to learn more, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive video, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey through intermittent fasting and explain in detail the top 3 intermittent fasting methods: the 16/8 method, Eat Stop Eat, and the 5-2 approach. But first, MedTube cannot exist without your support. Please like this video, subscribe and switch on notifications. Now back to intermittent fasting. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is intermittent fasting? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a traditional diet but rather a pattern of eating. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. During the fasting window, you consume little to no calories, and during the eating window, you enjoy your meals. The best part? It's flexible, and you can choose a method that suits your lifestyle. Part 2. The benefits of intermittent fasting. Now that you understand the concept, let's explore the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting. Studies suggest that it can aid weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even boost brain function. Additionally, it may lower the risk of chronic diseases and promote longevity. Part 3. Different intermittent fasting methods. Time to dive into different intermittent fasting methods. We'll discuss popular ones like the 16/8 method, Eat Stop Eat, and the 5-2 approach. Each method has a unique eating and fasting window, so you can find what suits your daily routine and preferences best. 1. 16/8 method. The 16/8 method, also known as the Lean Gains protocol, is one of the most popular and straightforward intermittent fasting approaches. With this method, you fast for 16 hours and have an eating window of 8 hours each day. How it works. Fasting period. During the fasting period, you abstain from consuming any calories. However, you can still drink water, herbal teas, and black coffee, which won't break your fast. Eating window. The eating window is the time when you can enjoy your meals and snacks. It typically lasts for 8 hours, and you can divide it into 2 or 3 meals, depending on your preference. Example schedule. Fasting, from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m., next day. Eating, from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. 2. Eat Stop Eat. The Eat Stop Eat method involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. This method was popularized by Brad Pilon in his book, Eat Stop Eat. How it works. Fasting period. During the fasting day, you refrain from eating any calories for a full 24 hours. This means you would have dinner one day and then not eat until dinner the next day. Non-fasting days. On non-fasting days, you eat as you normally would, following a balanced and healthy diet. Example schedule. Fasting, from Tuesday dinner to Wednesday dinner, 24 hours. Non-fasting. Rest of the week, regular eating. 3. 5-2 approach. The 5-2 approach involves eating normally for 5 days a week and significantly reducing calorie intake for the other 2 days. This method became popular through the work of Dr. Michael Mosley in his documentary, Eat, Fast, and Live Longer. How it works. Regular eating days. For 5 days of the week, you eat your regular meals and follow a balanced diet. Fasting days. On the fasting days, you limit your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories for women and 600 to 800 calories for men. These calories are usually consumed in 1 or 2 small meals. Example schedule. Regular eating, Monday to Friday. 2. Fasting. Saturday and Sunday. 500 to 600 calories on each fasting day. Part 4. Tips for a successful intermittent fasting journey. Now, let's get practical with some helpful tips for a successful intermittent fasting journey. First and foremost, stay hydrated during fasting periods. Water, herbal teas, and black coffee are your best friends. When it's time to eat, focus on nutrient-dense, balanced meals to nourish your body optimally. Another crucial tip is to listen to your body. If you're new to intermittent fasting, ease into it gradually. You can start with shorter fasting windows and gradually extend them as you become more comfortable. And remember, it's okay to be flexible with your schedule. Adapt intermittent fasting to fit your life, not the other way around. Part 5. Addressing common concerns. Let's address some common concerns about intermittent fasting. One of the most frequent questions is, will I be starving during the fasting period? The answer is no. Intermittent fasting is about adjusting your eating patterns, not depriving yourself. When your body adapts, you'll find that hunger becomes more manageable. Part 6. Intermittent fasting and exercise. Can you combine intermittent fasting with exercise? Absolutely. Intermittent fasting can be incredibly compatible with various workout routines. However, it's essential to listen to your body's signals and adjust your exercise intensity if needed. Remember to stay hydrated and replenish your body after a workout. Part 7. Wrapping up and taking action. Congratulations! You're now well equipped with the knowledge and tips for intermittent fasting. Regardless of the intermittent fasting method you choose, it's crucial to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet during your eating windows. Stay hydrated throughout the fasting period, and listen to your body's signals to ensure the approach is suitable for you. As with any new dietary practice, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, to ensure intermittent fasting aligns with your individual needs and goals. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive intermittent fasting journey. Please like, subscribe and switch on notifications for more great health-focused videos from MedTube. Thanks for watching MedTube. Please check out our other videos and stay healthy.